Collection of wild nonu on the island has now resumed after being stalled for a few years due to the lack of markets and a drop in demand. The signing of an agreement between Reef Group and a major buyer in China last month came as a boost for the venture with an order of 50,000 litres. Yesterday, collection of nonu from local growers resumed at the market but did not look very promising. Waya Nonu Farm Manager Tom Donovan says that the operations are going well and there are a number of things that will be needed to sustain services, but Reef's investment is long-term.
We're doing 70 to 80,000 litres a year here, and it's increasing slightly. It should be more, but we're not without our problems here on the plantation. We have pests and diseases in the trees that we have to deal with, so things aren't as good as they possibly could be, but I believe that they are the best that they can be under the circumstances. Bring it on, I say. We have got an operation up here set and going. And all it takes is for the local growers to bring their fruit and we'll take it. And to me, that's far easier than setting up another project somewhere else. But I think Reef's commitment to Niue back in 2004, where they set up this plantation here, was long term, and I doubt very much whether they're looking to pull out just because they've got somewhere else to grow it. I think generally it's up to the people of Niue to support us here, bring their noni along here. I know in the past we have stopped taking fruit from local growers, but that's because we couldn't sell the juice. I mean, there was a world recession, our markets closed up, they weren't buying, so we just had to stop buying it from outside, and meantime our production was increasing here. So it's not long ago that we had quite a huge surplus of juice sitting on the island waiting to go, but that's gone, and as I say, there's another 20,000 litres going out this month. It looks pretty good, so I've got a good feeling about it all.
Further developments with stories of Reef Group expanding its operations from Niue to Samoa also raise questions of what this will mean for local growers and operations here in Niue.
I, like the rest of Niuean people, have heard it on radio and seen it on a blog site that Reef are moving into Samoa, and that's the only information I have. But if they are moving into Samoa, it is because the world market for nonu has increased, and obviously they're looking for more places to grow it. So I suppose it's like any venture of this nature. The further you can have your options spread around the place, the better it is for business. Hopefully we'll continue to expand here too on the Niue Noni farm. We're going quite well. But I look forward to hearing from Reef about what's going on in Samoa. But often I'm the last to know what's going on. But I'm sure everybody will be kept posted in due course.
It seems that there are plans to start an orchard in Samoa next year on 80 hectares of land located in Savaii. Nonu collections on the island, however, will continue to be held at the market on Wednesdays at 1 p.m. until further notice, and the factory in Vaya also accepting fruit for those who wish to deliver straight to the farm at a price of 70 cents per kilo.